Hi everyone, I've just bought some soil and mulch at Bunnings and let's see how well it fits into the Volvo EX30 boot. That's two 30-litre cubes of mulch and one bag of potting mix. Let's open the boot. But first I'll show you a handy trick. You can actually open and close the boot using the main screen menu on the Volvo EX30, just like this. Once you open the boot, you can see a handy guide to the dimensions of things that will fit inside. There are luggage hooks on the side as well as hooks for cargo nets and space in the wheel wells as well as space underneath the boot floor to put a 22 kilowatt charging cable. The Volvo EX30 does not have a huge boot at 318 litres. On first look, I thought that it did fit the mulch. Unfortunately, I was mistaken because the powered tailgate won't close. That's because the EX30 boot is 10% smaller than the MG4, which is my own personal car, and also the BYD Dolphin. Yeah, there's not a huge amount of space in there. While the EX30 did fit my weekly shopping trip, including my rolling shopping trolley, with no problems. As you can see, looks like the mulch test is a bit of a fail unless I put down the back seats. Yeah, bit annoying. What about the frunk or fruit though? Way to access that is to pull twice. Ta-da! There is a decent sized frunk slash fruit for putting in what would fit in there. Maybe a home charging cable. I don't think you could fit in a 7 kilowatt or 11 kilowatt AC charging cable. Yeah, there's not enough room. But hey, it's not bad. It's better than what the MG4 and Dolphin have, which is no frunk or fruit at all. Please like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this for you. Thanks and see you later.